Hey guys, welcome back. So I got my daily in today. I had to slam on my brakes real hard to avoid hitting the deer. Didn't hit the deer, didn't damage the car, but it really messed up my brakes. So I decided, hey, I got some free time. I'm gonna order some parts and get them here and let's get this thing done. My normal parts dealer, 10 days out. Motor by Motor, they're one of my sponsors. They do not have any in stock either. I am having those shipped as soon as they're available. So I ran over down to O'Reilly's and AutoZone, and it seems like everyone's out of stock on it. Don't know. Maybe it's a rare car. I mean, it's not a rare car, but maybe the parts are just rare. I don't know. I don't know. Mind you, my brakes are making some noise. Some massive. I'm grinding. So I was like, well, I got pads. I have those, but I don't have my rotors. And whenever I do front brakes, especially when you chew up the rotors, you want to make sure you replace those rotors. So I said, well, shoot, what do I do? And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a video of what not to do. And we're titling this one Pad Slap. Today is February 20th. We'll see. Let's see. Let me give it, because if I get those parts in, let's do March 20th, okay? We'll do another video on March 20th about how the brake pads will look, how these guys are going to react. I mean, right now these are, they're pretty decent. They've got pretty much some good meat on them, so we'll see. And then I'll show you the damage that will happen and what all, throughout the course. So there'll be little bits and pieces. And this video probably won't come out until after March 20th, so that we can have all evidence, so you can see what happens. But I'll show you the carnage beforehand and after. So here, let's get into it. Shocking, the rotors aren't that bad. I was expecting them to be a little bit worse, but they're not that bad. Over here is not bad. Inside isn't bad. Kind of feeling around there and take a look in there. Yeah, see, they're not bad on that side either. So maybe I can get away with a pad slap, but still don't trust it. So we'll still figure it out. We'll still pull it off and put new rotors on just in case. All my flashlights are dead. So guess what I whipped out? When was the last time any of you used this one? I even forgot I had it. So I was taking a little closer look. Look at that. Right about here, it just started barely losing all the pads. All the pads is pretty much gone. But look, I started just barely eating into it. This side, I don't know if you can see it, but there's just barely anything on there. There was time. It's time to replace them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just barely ate into that one. All right, let's do it. Come up here, it's easier for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate these tires, because it'd be the one time I don't, and I'm gonna wear out a tire prematurely. So while I rotate those real quick, then we'll go jump onto the other side. Well, that sucked. My phone died right in the middle of all the work I was doing here. But anyways, just to let you know, remember that day I went to go check up on a customer because she called up, said her car wouldn't start. Well, when I was underneath my own hood, I was like, dude, let me check the oil and everything. And then I was like, you know what? Let me check my battery. My battery, positive side, was looking nasty as well. So I went ahead and cleaned her up. So she looks a hell of a lot better than she did before. Much better, much better. But this little positive part here broke off, whatever. Oil is good. Should probably due for an oil change. I already have all that here for an oil change. I do have tune-up ready for her, so I got new plugs already. Those are sitting over there. But it's not. I'm not gonna do it today. Probably tomorrow. But I did get a tire rotation done on it. I got the front brakes, test drove it. Everything is great. I don't know. I was really hoping to have more footage on it. But March 20th, we'll take the front end apart again and put the rotors on like I want to, and then we'll take a look and see how bad pad slapping is. But until then, see you guys next time.